How AI will change how Nigerians use online casinos. Bandits kill soldiers, cart away armored vehicle in Kwara. Nigeria's reforms yielding early gains, Edun tells global investors. Promote your business with cfinish.com. Exclusive offer. Shop at zoomafine.com in Nigeria. You can negotiate your prices before buy. Naira strengthens to $1,348 amid rising global tensions between US and Iran. Flood alert in Nigeria. 5 smart ways to survive a flood. Israel announces first ambassador to Somaliland, Somalia pissed. Iran executes 2 men accused of spying for Israel. CBN, NCC move to combat electronic fraud, reinforce integrity of Nigeria's payment system.